Question number 226. If the computer displays the wrong data and time, you can reset it using A. Write. B. Write file. C. Calendar. D. Control panel. Correct answer is D. Control panel. Question number 227. Unix, DOS, Windows are example of A. Word processor. B. System programs. C. Operating system. D. Application programs. Correct answer is C. Operating system. Question number 228. Which of the following operating system is available in free domain? A. Mac OS. B. Sun Solaris. C. Windows XP. D. Red Hat Linux. Correct answer is D. Red Hat Linux. Question number 229. Who developed the concept of email? A. Bill Gates. B. Sabir Bhatia. C. Ray Tomlinson. D. Arthur C. Clarke. Correct answer is C. Ray Tomlinson. Question number 230. Email stands for A. Electric mail. B. Electronic mail. C. Electronic marks. D. Eclipse mail. Correct answer is B. Electronic mail. Question number 231. What type of data can you send by email? A. Audio. B. Video. C. Pictures. D. All of these. Correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 232. What does BCC stand for in email? A. Blind carbon copy. B. Black carbon copy. C. Business computer card. D. Business computer center. Correct answer is A. Blind carbon copy. Question number 233. What does CC stand for in email? A. Creative Commons. B. Creative Commons. C. Creative Culture. D. Carbon copy. Correct answer is D. Carbon copy. Question number 234. Internet Explorer is a type of A. Compiler. B. Operating system. C. IP address. D. Browser. Correct answer is D. Browser. Question number 235. Which of the following is not a browser? A. Opera. B. Google. C. Mozilla. D. Firefox. Correct answer is B. Google. Question number 236. Which of the following is an MS-DOS external command? A. Dir. B. Copy. C. Prompt. D. Format. Correct answer is D. Format. Question number 237. When was the first electronic computer built? A. 1946. B. 1955. C. 1956. D. 1945. Correct answer is A. 1946. Question number 238. Which of the following is /R non-impact printer? A. Inkjet printer. B. Laser printer. C. Thermal printer. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 239. Which of the following is an impact printer? A. Laser printer. B. Inkjet printer. C. Daisy wheel printer. D. Bubblejet printer. Correct answer is C. Daisy wheel printer. Question number 240. What is the full form of RAM? A. Read access memory. B. Readable access memory. C. Random accumulator memory. D. Random access memory. Correct answer is D. Random access memory. Question number 241. Which term is used to describe RAM? A. Static RAM. B. Dynamic RAM. C. Both A and B. D. None. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question number 242. Which of the following memory needs to be refreshed? A. ROM. B. SRAM. C. DRAM. D. All of these. Correct answer is C. DRAM. Question number 243. Which shortcut key is used to check spelling? A. F5. B. F7. C. F12. D. F3. Correct answer is B. F7. Question number 244. What kind of software is designed for users who customize the programs they use? A. Freeware. B. Shareware. C. Open source software. D. Macros and assembly software. Correct answer is C. Open source software. Question number 245. What is the main page of the website called? A. Homepage. B. Search page. C. Browser page. D. Bookmark page. Correct answer is A. Homepage. Question number 246. The first mechanical computer was? A. Abacus. B. Calculator. C. Supercomputer. D. Analytical engine. Correct answer is D. Analytical engine. Question number 247. Which of the following is not a font style? A. Bold. B. Italics. C. Underline. D. Superscript. Correct answer is D. Superscript. Question number 248. Which is used to insert header and footer? A. View tab. B. Insert tab. C. Layout tab. D. Design tab. Correct answer is B. Insert tab. Question number 249. 1 megabyte is equal to A. 1024 byte. B. 1000 kilobytes. C. 1024 kilobytes. D. 1024 gigabytes. Correct answer is C. 1024 kilobytes. Question number 250. What is Windows Explorer? A. File Manager. B. Personal computer. C. Web browser. D. Network. Correct answer is A. File Manager. Question of the day. Which one is an example of antivirus software? A. Skype. B. PayPal. C. McAfee. D. All of these. Please leave answer in comment section down below.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit that notification bell icon. For more content, click on above videos.